I was trying to be a cold air hog, and I was leaning up, and I turned it off.
Any more singing out of the team? All the singing is done?
Just sit right back and hear a tale nothing pulled through. That started from this big port aboard this tiny ship.
Millions of viewers later. The sea goes funny when it rains like this.
It does.
Just it's kind of, goes sort of flat and loses all its aspect.
It's so cool to see the fresh water bubbling on top of the salt water and see that stratification.
Yeah. Just chugging along here.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so nice.
Yeah.
AC.
Actually, so maybe the evening will be cool.
Jerome said the temps dropped like 15 degrees after the squalls went through.
Dropped?
Yeah.
Oh,
He
good.
was really pleased with it.